Junkies, welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, April 3rd, 2012. This morning we had a total of 3 executable KISS signals for a max potential of -6 ES ticks per contract traded and 8 junkie band trades for 1.5 points. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability KISS trade setup and give you a feel for the number of trades taken each morning in our live room. Our full trading plan, educational DVDs, and trading room access can be found on our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, I just want to bring your attention again to these teal bands you see on our charts. These are available to the members of our trading room every morning prior to the market open. We call those junkie bands or micro bands, and they act as areas of support and resistance throughout the day. And another thing that we have in our room is we have what we call a chop indicator, and our chop indicator this morning before the market was open all the way up until after 11:10 was showing that the market was in chop mode, and you do not want to apply trending strategies and that sort of thing during those chop environments. However, I want to go ahead and stay with the format of these videos and show our various signals as if you didn't have that chop indicator, and we're taking every signal as presented just to see, to let you see how these various signals work out at the end of each day had you been taking each one of them. And the first signals I'm going to bring your attention to are these silver colored or whitish looking signals. These are our KISS signals. We started off this morning right around 9:45, 9:50 time frame. We had a KISS long signal, and that did produce 12 ticks to the upside. And there was a little reset of the data here, and in the room we advised against taking this next KISS signal because it was actually just a continuation trade and we were in a chop environment. But assuming you ignored that and you ignored the chop indicator, again, all tools that are in the room, and you took this second KISS long signal, you did take a full stop out, and that was for 8 ticks on that particular one. And then there was a KISS short. Again, it was kind of a mid-range entry, and that was a full stop out for 10 ticks to the upside. So between those 3 KISS trades, you would have ended up down about 6 ticks this morning. Now, the junkie trail, that is also trail. That should tell you that is for a trending environment. But the first junkie trail trade went off with a 7-tick loss. There was a reload on that particular one that actually provided 7 ticks profit. And when we came down on that stop out, we had a trail to the downside for another 8-tick loss. And then there was a reversal, another trail, 4-tick loss. And then there was a reload for 3 ticks to the upside, another reload at a little deeper level, that was a 3-tick loss. And then finally, after 11:10, and like I mentioned earlier, we had a tool that told us after 11:10 it was time to go ahead and take the trailing trades. That particular trade did work out and went down for 12 ticks to the downside, and actually gave you a nice little reload over here right before the end of our morning session for another 6 ticks. So basically the trailing technique, applying it, there was 8 junkie band trades there, and that provided 6 ticks the opposite way. So basically a lot of trading for a flat market. However, it's really putting a square peg in a round hole, because we had a tool that was telling us, hey, it's not an environment to be trying to trade a trending strategy. And this is showing, had you ignored all the warning signs and actually, tried to apply that strategy, you would have been doing a lot of trading, but you basically broke even on the day. So anyway, I hope that's helpful, and I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to get some of those tools like the chop indicator, or these micro junkie bands every morning, or these trailing stops, any of the things that you're seeing on these videos, obviously I can't go into all the detail here, but if you'd like to have more information on that, please visit us at our website at eminijunkie.com. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.